I almost couldn't see coming in here last night. Between the headlights and the bugs. Holy Moses. Okay, we're ready to scrub a dub.
When you got bugs on your windshield in your front of your bumper from driving all day and the heat has baked them on, I like to go to the blue brush instead of the yellow. It's a little stiffer and it does a lot better job than the yellow. The yellow's for softer applications. It comes off a lot better with this product. If you don't use product, you just use water, you're gonna work a lot harder. I'm not really working that hard. I'm just making sure that the bristles touch every bug and it'll come right off.
All right, watch out.
Okay. Another good part about it is when you're done, all you do is that, it fits in your hatch properly.